everyone, I am just popping on here really quick for a few updates about what you can expect for Advent. Here on the podcast, we are going to be releasing daily Jesse Tree ornament explanations. So if you have ever done the Jesse Tree, you know that every day you focus on part of salvation history, a story from the Old Testament leading up to the birth of Jesus. So starting this Advent, we are going to be uploading explanations about each of the daily Jesse Tree ornaments. Now, if you don't have Jesse Tree ornaments, we have a free printable version for you. Just go to holyheroes.com/jessetree and you can download a 2-version option. The first one is black and white. Your kids can color in, cut out these ornaments to use every day. Or the second option is full color if you'd rather just cut them out already completed. So again, you can just go to holyheroes.com/jessetree to download those printable ornaments and then make sure you're subscribed here for the daily Jesse Tree podcast that will kick off this Advent. Now, a few more things you might want to have on hand as we prepare for Advent. The first one is Advent candles. Now, everyone needs Advent candles, but this year, consider getting make your own Advent candles. This is a make your own Advent candle kit that can be used by kids ages 4 and up. Super clean, super easy. It has everything you need. So if you go to holyheroes.com/advent, you will find our Advent candle kit. And the best part of this is that every order for our Advent candle kit comes with a free Advent and Christmas calendar. Yes, it's not just an Advent calendar. It goes through Advent leading up to Christmas Day and then through the entire Christmas season. So you can really drive home the point that we are not just celebrating one day, but an entire season. So that fun calendar with companion stickers will be free with every purchase of our Advent candle kit over at holyheroes.com/advent. I hope you'll join us for our daily Jesse Tree podcast kicking off this Advent, and make sure you head over to holyheroes.com/jessetree to download your companion Jesse Tree ornaments.